Here's how I ruined this $4,000 Heywood Wakefield vanity. I bought this vanity off of Facebook Marketplace for $200. Heywood Wakefield furniture is extremely expensive because it's made of solid birch. I scraped, sanded, and did about 10 rounds of wood bleach, which only helped a little bit. Heywood Wakefield stains are very hard to replicate, but after a bit of research, I decided to go with Old Masters gel stain in the color Fruitwood. I was really nervous about this because birch never absorbs stain well, and sure enough, it came out awful. I felt like I got punched in the gut with this one. I walked away from this project for a whole 2 months, and then I finally got the courage and I decided to fix those discolorations with Mohawk blendal sticks. Thankfully, there was a color that matched almost perfectly, so it was really easy to repair those areas. I sealed everything with Easy Vinyl Sealer and then gave several coats of satin lacquer. And after several long months, I finally brought this vanity from this to this. It's by no means perfect, and my resale price will reflect that. It's missing the glass shelving, but I do have the mirror, which also needs to be restored. This one was definitely a labor of love and a very nerve-wracking learning experience, but I'm so tempted to keep it, but I'm running out of room, so make sure you check the caption for the step-by-step details.